Garlic. Nothing is ever complete without garlic. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. It is Vlogmas. What? And not it being hot outside and I'm out here with a full-blown coat. I just saw somebody with short sleeves on. I got the hat on. Not it being probably 70 degrees out. But right now I'm headed to the car. Had to get in. And oh, by the way, I'm Alexis Hope. Not me being rude and acting like I ain't got no hope and training, no manners. No good manners up in here. But welcome back. So today I actually have a list. Oh my goodness. My birthday coming up, all this stuff. So today, oh, there goes my neighbor with some more short sleeves. I don't care, I look cute. But I have to go to Walmart because funny story. You guys are gonna laugh. I happen to want to buy candles from Bath and Body Works yesterday. They were $9.95. I wanted to get 3 of them. So my phone saves my card information, but not the 3 digits on the back of the card. So it puts in all the card information, and I'm sitting here trying to guess the 3 digits on the back because I was at work technically on the clock. Couldn't come to my car where my wallet is. I know, bad habit. But so I'm sitting there guessing. Next thing I know, I tried PayPal. I tried it twice. It wouldn't work. I tried PayPal again. The card disappears from PayPal. I go over to my bank, my mobile app for banking. That bad boy disappeared. Now I gotta go to the bank and be like, what's up? Y'all, they literally took my card from me because they probably thought it was fraud. But really, it was me. It was me. And I was just trying to buy candles. Some smell good. That's it. That's all. But first stop, of course, my ride or die. Gotta get my mama. Because, yeah, of course. But yeah, let's head on. Sitting at a red light, I need gas, and guess who ain't got no card? Me. Like 45 miles until E. Lovely. And there's a lady out here walking with a sign. I'm trying to read the sign. My vision is so bad. Glasses. Heading to Walmart so I can. Of course, you want to stop in front of me. Go. If you're getting over, go. And they cut that off. You can't go that way no more. Y'all used to make this drive every morning to Walmart. Dude, my anxiety as far as vlogging in public is crazy. This place is packed. Okay, quickly. This candy apple is life. And I had to get another one. I'm not a big fan of chocolate like that, but it was too cute. It was too cute. And it's a caramel one. It was too cute. I had to get it. What? Yeah. We're over here to the Intimates. But I had to get these 2 candy apples because I already know, if you've seen my story. Ooh, is this? That's gross. But if you saw my story on Instagram, you saw that I already had the cinnamon bun one. That is sticky for some reason. But I haven't had the chocolate one. So yeah, girl is getting both. Happy birthday to me, which is in a couple of days. Maybe. So after this, I really need to go do a bunch of other stuff that I don't think I'm gonna do today. Because guess what? I'm in my lazy girl era. It is what it is. I'm still bouncing back, okay? I'm still bouncing back. But it's packed in here. I'm gonna put y'all away. At a Walmart. drop my mom off. So what had happened with my card was, yeah, they thought I was fraud. That's what that was. I tried it one too many times. That's what they thought. I was a hacker. It's all good. It's all good. My card is back though. They activated it again. I didn't need to get another one. Thank God. Because I just knew I was going to have to change everything. You know, in your bank account, your bank card is like tied to DoorDash. Your accounts, like payments. And I just knew I was going to have to redo that. But I'm on my way to my aunt's house. I got a package there. I'm going to go pick up my package. And I'm going to go back to my mom's house and cook. I broke down and got a subscription to Hello Fresh. Yes, I got me a Hello Fresh meal that I need to cook. So I was back with them way back when, but your girl's trying to save money. I didn't tell you guys, but I'm moving, but not to Charlotte. But I am moving. But yeah, so headed to, I need to get gas. I'm at 28 miles until E. Lowest I've ever gone was three. That's the lowest I've ever gone. So I'm here at my mom's house and I'm cooking. I legit forgot to film that part. But yeah, so I got the sauce and the chicken. I gotta fix that. But here's what we're having. It's HelloFresh. And it's the pasta. Anyways, it's HelloFresh. And it looks so good. And this is the I got two. The other pasta is kind of spicy. My mom doesn't like spicy stuff. I don't mind it. So I got the one that is not spicy. But right now I'm boiling the water. And we're just going to figure this out. Hopefully it's not going to take much longer. But I'm getting the water to boil. Sitting here watching this Christmas movie on Prime, on Amazon Prime. It's called, hold on. I don't even know where nothing is anymore. I don't know where the remote at. But it's the one with Eddie Murphy in. I forgot what that's called, but that's what we're doing. Watching that, fixing this good food because I'm hungry. If you notice in this vlog, I didn't go nowhere. I didn't stop nowhere. We didn't do none of that. And that is because waiting on this. Waiting on this to eat. So, garlic. Nothing is ever complete without garlic. Boom, like that, we're done. We're done. Let's see what we got, because you know what? Look at this mess. No lie, like this is a hot mess. But yeah, this is, it's not bad. It's not bad looking. We're gonna see what it tastes like too. We're gonna see what it's giving. That is a lot of steam. This is hot. This is hot. All right. It's not bad. I think I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, and I'm gonna let the sauce thicken up even more, so that's super creamy. It's not bad. Cooking is all fun and games, so you gotta clean up. This place is a mess. Good thing I don't live here. No, I gotta clean up though. Guys, that food was bussin'. We good, we done. Great food. Not so bad, you know what? And I miss our Hardee's. We no longer have a Hardee's, but the TV's on. I'm distracted. I do that sometimes. But that's if you're new here. If you're true, you know what's up. But tomorrow, we got a jam-packed day. I mean, jam-packed. I mean, I have to get up probably at about 9 or so. And I don't want to, because I'm still off tomorrow because it's Sunday. But I'm going to go and see Beyonce's new movie. Me, I'm personally not part of the Beehive, but my auntie is. Guess who's driving? Me. So, we're going to go see Renaissance. But, you guys, this is the end of the vlog. I am going to see you tomorrow in the next one.